We're making chicken teriyaki on the grill. Always fresh ginger and fresh garlic. In about equal parts. Reserve some of this for the chicken. The rest of this is going into a pan with a little canola oil to get aromatic. We want to take the edge off before we do the rest. Teriyaki sauce is equal parts sake, soy sauce, and mirin, seasoned rice wine with sugar added. Bring this to a simmer. Once it's rolling, add cornstarch slurry to thicken, and toasted sesame seeds. Teriyaki's got to have sesame seeds. Teriyaki sauce. That chicken's going on the grill, so it's better if it's going to be flat. So that backbone's coming out. And looks like I already split through the breast, although not cleanly. We did get it opened up. Remember that ginger and garlic? That's coming back. A little more sake and soy sauce. We want to get both flavors in there right from jump. Salt and pepper. That's going to get the flavor into the meat right away. But we want that skin perfect. So dry it out good. Hit it with salt. And dark soy is going to make it look authentic. Make sure you get everywhere. Time in the fridge is going to help the flavor penetrate and the skin dry out. Best overnight. Now it's got good color, but before you grill it, brushing oil on the skin now will ensure it doesn't stick when we go to put it on the grill. Gas or charcoal, keep the fire offset. Skin side down with the ass of the chicken towards the fire. The dark meat takes longer to cook. And we're going to use our grill like a big oven. Halfway through, we made all that homemade teriyaki, so we might as well use it. Baste the backside everywhere. Lid on, keep going. 90% of the way we cook the skin side down. And when we flip it, we got to give those tits some heat. Lid on, finish cooking. Once you get over 150 in the breast meat, you know that bird is cooked. And it's ready to come in. I just served my bird family style. Yeah. And serve it with plenty of that teriyaki sauce.
Until that chicken is moist. Ooh, that is f***ing good. The meat is flavored all the way through. I mean, it just tastes like teriyaki. It almost has a smoky flavor to it.
Not teriyaki, though.
Tender, juicy chicken on a grill. How do you do that? Oh, you just did.
And with this, we only had one thing on the grill, and we fed f***ing everybody.
This is not dried out grilled chicken.